gonna be so exciting. So exciting. Put this to the side. Hey Glam dolls, so I'm here today to share with you all something that I'm going to be trying for the very first time. The highly talked about, bring home the salon, Kiss Falscara magnetic eyelashes. I'm so excited. Now when it comes to these eyelashes, on the back of the packaging it says no clumps, no smudges, no strips, no damage, no mistakes. It says it right here on the back, and it's a new way for you to wear your lashes. It says if you can mascara, then you can falscara. So yeah, I'm going to be giving this a try, and it's magnetic lashes. Everybody has been raving about it. When it comes to false eyelashes, I'm very old school with it, okay? I like applying the strip lashes where you just take some you know, eyelash glue and you apply the strips and you're done. And another thing I noticed with those lashes, by the way, this is my Sweet Mint Water Ultra Hydration facial wipes that I purchased from my local Dollar Tree, because these are by Bolero. Love it. So like I was saying, I'm very old school with it, and I like applying the eyelashes with, you know, the glue and the strips. And that's mainly because with the regular false eyelashes, you got different styles, different lengths, and, you know, different textures of the eyelashes, meaning they could be either super thick, where they can look like baby doll lashes, or they can be very thin, where they can look more natural and realistic. And with this particular false eyelash, I noticed that they all look the same. They like really thin. So these particular eyelashes to me seem like it's supposed to give off a more natural, subtle look. Hence the reason why I'm giving them a try today, because today I just want a real simple eye look. I don't even really want to wear eye makeup, so I'm not going to be applying eye makeup, but I'm just gonna even my face out. So now it's time for me to apply my foundation. Another thing I've been obsessing with is my Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. This has been a godsend in my beauty arsenal. I've been using this for a little over a year and a half now. Prior to this, I was using my Lancome Tint Ideal whatever foundation. Honey, that don't compare to this, and that was Lancome, okay? But this Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation, you'll see as I apply it, it's flawless. I also mix it with my Makeup Forever Duo Matte Face Powder, just a little bit of this to go over me applying the foundation. So here we go. I'm gonna dab this all over. I like dabbing my foundation all over my face before I actually go into blending. This helps me to spread the product out. And here we go. Put it over my eyes, because like I said, I'm not putting on any eyeshadow today. I really don't want to. Okay, I had to fast forward the video because I know y'all wasn't here to really see how I apply a basic look. You was here to see about these Falscara magnetic lashes. So let's get into it. Super exciting. So when I open the packaging like this, I see it has 5 magnetic individual strips. It has the bond and seal, and then it has tweezers for me to be able to apply my lashes. And we're gonna follow the instructions together. Oh man, this is gonna be so exciting. So exciting. Put this to the side. Okay, it says step 1, bonding time. Brush a light coat of bond onto natural lashes. A little goes a long way. Okay, this is the bonding. Ooh, let's go like this. not bad. Don't smell bad. Now they say a little goes a long way. So 1, 2. Okay. Make sure you close it back. Step 2, apply under lashes. So we're gonna see. Apply under the lash, right? Why is it? Hold on. Oh, okay. Let's do the second one. Uh-oh. It's not working. I think you have to do it when it's wet. Okay, I'm gonna have to stop right here because when it comes to my inner lash, honestly, I don't have any. Ooh, which now makes this look a little bit weird because I feel like I got eyelashes missing. Anyway, so now that I did that, it says to seal the deal. So now we're going to take the seal side, seal the deal, and we're going to just apply that to seal it. All right. What do you think? Before, oh, before, after. Before, after. I think these are cute. Let me do the other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, dolls, so this is now concluding the video and here is my final thoughts. I'm a little bit disappointed with this. It didn't quite work the way the instructions on the back said it would work, and then it didn't give me the full end result that I was anticipating. And when I say full end, meaning I couldn't even use all of the individual lash strips. Now I do feel that there are enough for you to do, you know, one eye each. However, when it comes to me personally, on my inner portion of my eye, I really don't have no eyelashes there. It's weird, but I don't know. So I only used what is this, 1, 2, 3, 4 strips, 4 strips, and this is my finished look. Let me come in closer so y'all can see. There we go. Ooh, okay. Like I was saying, see what I'm saying? Like how my inner eyes don't have a strip there, and as you can see here, I didn't use these 2 strips for my inner eyes, and I kind of feel a little bit weird, like I'm missing some eyelashes. It could be me. I could just be overthinking it, and that's why I say this didn't fully work out for me. That's what I mean by it didn't fully work out for me. Yeah, I'm just a little disappointed, that's all. But like I keep saying, it's you know, it looks nice. I'm not going to take away from it like that. It does look nice. It just didn't give me all the eyelashes that I know I wanted. So yeah, that was the Falscara magnetic lashes. All right, dolls, this is concluding the video. I'm gonna go ahead on out for the day, run a couple of errands, because I'm not gonna sit here and now try to take these off just to put on a full strip of lashes. Will I be using this again? I don't know, maybe. I don't know. I know for right now, I'm just a little bit disappointed with it. Maybe I need to wear it for a couple of hours to see how I feel. But I just feel so subconscious that my inner lashes are missing. So you comment down below. You tell me. Comment down below, and do you feel that, you know, I'm missing eyelashes, or am I just overthinking it? And if I'm overthinking it, let me know if you are still willing to go and give this a try. Okay? Because it could just be me overthinking it. That's why I don't want to completely bash the brand, because it's not their fault that I don't have inner eyelashes for me to, you know, have something to work with, you know. It could be from me applying the regular eyelashes and peeling them off to why my eyelashes are missing on my inner portions anyway. I don't know, but you want to know what I do know? It's time for me to get the hell up out of here. So on that note, like I said, this concludes the video. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. I will put the link down in the description box and comment section below, just in case you dolls is interested in giving this a try. And I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.